So good morning everyone, my name is Mariana and I am here with my teammates Raúl and Juan José Tagle. Together we are excited to present our project that revives the legacy of the KMW-Porsche racing team through virtual reality. Founded in 1971 in Rosenheim, Germany, KMW was created by three passionate engineers who built high-performance racing cars and competed internationally. Helmut Bott, then head of Porsche's development center, was caught by their innovation and granted them the rare distinctive to use the name KMW-Porsche. Our project recreates their 1970s garage workshop as an immersive VR museum. The goal is to preserve and share their technical acknowledgements and achievements in an engaging way. Using advanced 3D technologies, we built a realistic environment where users can explore and interact with team's artifacts and learn about their history. Through mobile VR headsets. Now, we will dive into the technical process.
Okay, thank you very much. So, in order for us to create a fully fledged immersive experience, we leveraged quite a number of technologies, one of which was, the first one was the Matterport scan. So we basically went through the entire KMW garage just to scan the entire building, so you could see the end result there. And then the 3D Einstein scanner just to scan the engine. And also we also leveraged other technologies like the Creality capture just to scan the helmet and other assets like the driver's suit and then the driver's helmet. So lastly, we leveraged one of photogrammetry, which is basically taking 2,000 pictures of the car, then we mesh the entire car just to create the 3D model of the car. Then lastly, we also incorporated an AI avatar, which is not just any AI avatar. This one is basically leveraging artificial intelligence and another technology called narrative design. And then thanks to our custom knowledge bank, the avatar knows what to say whenever you engage it, whenever you try to have a conversation with it, or it basically takes you on the tour from one trigger point to the next. So that is what we're basically leveraging the narrative design just to have the full-fledged tour experience of going through the virtual world. And then we, I think it's also, the avatar can also talk in multiple languages, German, English, and then our avatar is not just one who talks, it tells the stories, it answers questions and makes the museum feel more lively. So now we'll tell you more about where our pro project is headed.
Hello, so although we were able to reach all the milestones that we set out to in this project, we wouldn't be true engineers if we didn't think about what would happen next and how we could build upon this. One of the things that we said was we want this to be a prototype, not the end product. So we want either for us or future teams to be able to build upon this. And some of the ways that we said about this was we can expand the narrative zones, we can include new scenes, either other races or stuff like this where the team was, more zones, more picture, more information. Also include more scans, sort of 2D drawings or tools used by the team. We can also add more multi-language support, not just English and German, but also add it for more international students. And also if we want to boost the authenticity, we could even add a Bayerisch dialect for the avatar, which I think would be a pretty cool thing. And finally, this is something we discussed, we would like to build a virtual timeline in which because right now you hear about the history, but we really want to live it. We would like to have a timeline where the user could be able to see exactly from the 70s to the 90s to the 2000s to now, because obviously the team went through evolution and you could see this entire evolution up until 2020 when all of these artifacts were rediscovered. So next we would like to show you a small video of how the VR looks.
Engineering and design. One of the most famous models is the KMW-Porsche SP, which debuted in 1971. This car was built with a modern aluminum monocoque chassis, making it both lightweight and incredibly strong. Under the hood, It features
Okay, so we would like to thank you for coming, and yeah.